Alright, to set up color inversion on your Google Pixel, Motorola, or any Android phone running stock Android, we're going to go to Settings first. Then scroll down to Accessibility. Once you're in Accessibility settings, go to Color and Motion, and there you'll have a setting for color inversion. So just toggle on color inversion, and all the colors on your phone get flipped. Now, if you think you're going to be toggling this on and off a lot, there's a couple of ways to make that easier. The Pixel phone I have allows you to add a little shortcut for it. What this does is put a little button on your screen, which you can move around, and then just tap it to quickly toggle color inversion on or off. Good solution if you don't want to dig through the settings every time, especially because that exact location of this setting is pretty easy to forget. If you want to have a quick, easily accessible shortcut without having a button floating on your screen all the time, you can always do this through Quick Settings instead. Swipe down from the top right corner and swipe again to view the full Quick Settings panel. Then tap that pencil icon to edit your quick settings, scroll down to look at the available buttons, and look for the Color Inversion button, which you'll find under the Accessibility group. Once I locate the button, I'll tap that to add it to my quick settings. And after it's been added, I can even tap, hold, and drag it higher to put it in my preferred position within that quick settings panel. All done, we can exit, and now, anytime I want to toggle color inversion, I just swipe down, tap the button, and it turns on. And once I'm done with it, swipe to view quick settings, tap the button again, turns it off. And that's how you control color inversion on Motorola and Pixel phones. Like the video if it helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.